Hi, my name is Kanetta. This will be our 15-minute audition tape for chair yoga. So today we'll take a nice deep inhale, arms extend out, inhale up, and exhale, let the elbows come forward and hands come forward. Relax the shoulders, let them just press down towards the floor gently. Inhale up, and exhale down. That was not my stomach growling, that was my Yorkie growling because he saw a bird out the window. Inhale up, elbows in, palms facing you, and extend down. Good, we're going to reverse that. This time you're going to bicep curl, fingertips to the shoulder, lift the elbows, inhale, lift the chest, extend the arms like you're stretching. Good, inhale, exhale, extension and stretch the arms out. Very nice. Again, inhale, elbows come up. Rotate the elbows out to the side and loosen the hands down. Big arm range of motion, back up, straight up to the ceiling. This time you're going to bend one elbow, lean gently, extend up, bend the other elbow, lean gently towards that elbow, and extend up. Looking down towards the palm of your hand, gazing down toward the floor, and now up. Looking towards the palm of your hand, gazing to the floor, and back up one more each side, down, and back up, lifting the chest nice and tall, squeezing the abdominals. And this time you're going to go ahead and drop one hand down, the right hand remains up and gently places on the top of your head if you feel comfortable with that today. Your opposite hand, the left hand, is going to place down and flex towards the floor and release. Inhale, exhale as you extend and press down gently. Inhale, shoulder up. Exhale, press down gently and release that. Let the nose go down towards the arm and gently fingertips pull back from that occipital canal, the bottom of your skull, just pulling down ever so slightly. Stretching the back of the neck and release. Allow your arm to drop and chin to chest. Slowly bringing the head back up. Same thing other side. So now the left hand comes up, places gently on the side of the head if you feel okay with that today. Inhale, shoulder raises. Exhale as you press and flex your hand down. Inhale, lifting the shoulder. Exhale, press. Nice and slow at your own timing. And one more time. And this time, looking towards the floor, letting the nose drop down towards the arm gently. Fingertips walk behind the skull and stretching the back of the neck. Allow your arm to drift down to the side by your hips and chin to chest and looking back up nice and straight. Arms extend up. Palms together, press the palms together on the way down. Extend, inhale, and press the palms. Once more, inhale, and exhale, pressing the palms together. From here, you're going to go ahead and take one hand, place it across. Your opposite hand, your right hand, is just assisting that range of motion. And go ahead and bend the elbow, pat yourself on the back there, and switch sides. Gently, carefully releasing the arms. Other side, left hand is assisting, and bending the elbow, a little pat on the back. Good job for today. We're not done, but it's a great start. And then drop the hands towards the knee. We're going to walk the hands down to the bottom of the knees. Drop the chin down ever so slightly. rounding over. Now use your hands to press into your knees, press the heels down if you can, lift the chin up, extending the lower back. Exhale, rounds, chin to chest. And extension, chin comes up, chest extends, a neutral spine into an arch spine. Rounding over once again, chin to chest. And extend back up. Very good. Left hand coming up here. And reaching towards that back of the chair if you're sitting on a chair. And back up. Your range of motion is going to depend on how you're feeling today. So we don't want you at any point to feel pain. A stretch is just an opportunity for your muscles to begin to relax and gain elasticity, but not to cause you pain. We're not bouncing in any movements in this stretch today. We're really just trying to relax into our stretches. Other side, one more time if this feels okay. So my arm comes up, palm rotates back and down, reaching for the back of that chair. And notice I kept my head facing away from my arm just so I can establish a really good stretch in the neck. Back up. And other side. Very good. As the arm comes back up, you're then going to walk your hands down your legs. Let your legs relax forward a bit. Walking the hands down. Let the chin drop to chest and just keep walking those hands down until you feel a good stretch, not a pull. Again, this should not hurt or cause you pain. We want to rest into this movement. So walk your hands up with an inhale. Walk your hands down with an exhale and find a good, comfortable stretch. Walk your hands back up with an inhale. Nice and slow at your own timing. And back down. Releasing the tension from your head, so let that go and relax. Back up we go. And back down. And this time we're going to go ahead and see if we can reach across to our opposite shoulder as to hand. See if you can give yourself a big hug here. Lift the elbows up, extend the spine, and round. Lift the elbows up, extend the spine, and round. So we have a lot of flexion and extension today, a lot of full range body movements, but again, they can all be modified. Now, going ahead and working down our body, so we're going to get a little bit into our hip flexors. So if it feels comfortable for you to stay at the edge of your seat, that's fine. Or to the back of your seat, you can press the lower spine and the mid back into the back of the chair so you feel a nice long elongated spine from the lower lumbar all the way through your thoracic and up into the C vertebrae of your neck. If you're at the edge of the chair, I would encourage you to contract the abdominals. If you're in the back of the chair, you're contracting them because you're pressing your spine against the chair and you're holding that. So if you're upright here, we have a good set of posture. So we're upright and we're going to begin our hip flexor stretch by bringing our knee up. A way you can begin this is assisting with your hands, leaning forward, bringing that knee up. If this feels good, then you can go ahead and cross over. If it's too tight, see if you can interlock those fingers. If that is not an option, just keep that heel on the floor, okay? And then from there, you would drop the knee out for that hip flexor stretch. So from here, I've interlocked my fingers or assisted to come across, placed the bottom of my heel to the floor if I can, and then walked my hand down to go into a deep hip flexor stretch. thinking about not rounding here. We want to think about extending and lifting up the chest, and then folding. Switch sides when you're ready. Assist with that knee lift. You can grab under the knee, gently place that foot down to the floor. Other side, we can either step forward and do a flexion and bend here, and then open that knee out and fold a little bit deeper. If we want a deeper stretch, go ahead and pull that knee up towards your chest, interlock the fingers, a little pull, and then assist. Pressing the knee gently out and folding with a flat back, remembering to keep the chest lifted so that we're not here in this stretch, but lift, lift, lift. Remembering not to bounce in this movement, we just want to keep a nice elongated stretch for at least 10 seconds here. And then we're ready to assist the leg back down to the floor for the heel to meet and touch the floor if you can in this position. Walking the hands back down one at a time. All the way down as far as you can to where you still feel comfortable. Drop the head and then release the arms and reach up. Inhale, exhale, drop the hands, shift the fingers down and up. Inhale, down, touch the floor if you can with those fingers, and up. Maybe we're just touching right here at the knees. Perfect. And up. Down here and up. 2 more. Down and up. Try to let the chin drop to the chest if that feels okay. Good. And last one, you're going to hold down just for a few seconds. See how far we can fold over and then gently walking back up. Very nice. Your next stretch, you're going to try to sit to the back of your chair if that feels okay. Extending one leg forward, reaching the arms nice and flat, and elongating from here. My chair is pretty tall, so I'm flexing and I'm going to extend a full extension of my leg and fold and reach forward. So you'll feel this in your hamstrings. Back up, release the toe down to a pointed toe, back to a flexion, and extend. Back up, and we'll switch legs. So now I'm flexing my opposite foot, my left leg, hands come up, hamstring stretch, reach towards those toes. And up, release the toe down, relax. Flex your foot, reach and fold. Again, gently when you're ready, coming back up and reach and fold. And as you release this time, you're just walking your hands back up. A big hug, wrap those hands around, tuck the chin, open the chest nice and wide, extend the arms. Again, forward. And extension, open the chest. Forward, cross. And open. Hands come down. We're going to see if we can reach the chair. Sometimes this is an option. If you can, use your right hand, grab that chair, tilt the ear to your shoulder. See if you can grab that chair and just hold it for just a second and lean away so you have a little resistance. And switch sides, and ear drops to your shoulder. See if your opposite hand, your left hand, can grab a hold of a chair. And you have a little resistance here. So you're kind of leaning away from where you have grabbed the chair. Very nice. Chin to chest. Rolling down one vertebrae at a time. So C vertebrae from the neck, all the way from the top of the head down through the neck, through the thoracic vertebrae of your mid-spine, down through the C vertebrae of your lower spine. Now reverse that. So tucking the hips under, stretching through the C vertebrae, rotate the hips forward, squeeze here first to make that happen, and elongate each one of those vertebrae all the way up, shoulder roll back, shoulder roll forward, chin to chest, round, 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 round like a ball, all the way down to where you feel a good stretch. Reverse, tuck the hips under. Now push the hips forward, squeeze right here, zip up, and lift the chest. One more time. Chin to chest, down we go. Shoulder shrug forward, all the way over like a ball. And then reverse. Tuck the hips first, so roll them under, and then push them forward. Yeah, push them forward like someone's applying a little pressure on the bottom of your low back. Lengthen up. Very nice. Nice deep inhale, arms up. And exhale, palms together. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. I hope you've enjoyed a mini stretch class with me today. Thank you for your time.